looking for a hard-headed woman, one who will take me for myself. And if I find my hard-headed woman, I will need nobody else. No, no, no. I'm looking for a hard-headed woman, one who will make me do my best. And if I find my hard-headed woman, I know the rest of my life will be blessed. Yes, yes, yes. I've known a lot of fancy dancers, people who can get you on the floor. They move so smooth but have no answers. When you ask what you come here for, I don't know. Hard-headed woman, I know many fine feathered friends, but their friendliness depends on how you do. They know many sure-fired ways to find out the one who pays and how you do. For a hard-headed woman, one who will make me feel so good. And if I find my hard-headed woman, I know my life will be as it should. Yes, yes, yes. I'm looking for a hard-headed woman, one who will make me do my best. And if I find my hard-headed woman, okay.